Hi everybody, this is BNP Media Plumbing Group's Mike Miazga. We're here at the 2018 AHR Expo in Chicago, joined right now in the Viega booth by Dominic Kung, Viega's products manager for metals. Nice to see you today.
Thank you.
Viega in the past came out with their MegaPress product line. Now we're bumping it up to XL. Why the change to XL?
Well, we really wanted to expand the market, and we're actually the first to be able to press onto 2.5, 3-inch, and 4-inch carbon steel pipe now. It's really going to help expand the market in applications and in size, and really help benefit the contractors going forward by giving them the ability and options to have different methods to join pipe other than the traditional pipe joining methods that they're used to using.
A big topic in the industry right now is ease of use for a contractor and making sure the contractor can get his job done, the installer can get his job done as efficiently as possible. How does the XL version here do that?
Well, the XL version, compared to traditional methods, has up to 90% installation time savings on there. The other great benefit along with that is the consistency that a press gives you. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or you're new to the industry, you will give the same press time and time again. Versus with a welder, you might get very different results depending on the level of experience that he has. One of the biggest issues facing contractors a lot of times is that variable time that they have to do to get the job done. A good welder might be able to do it in 1 hour. A less skilled welder might be able to do it in 1.5 hours. That extra half hour adds up over time with every single fitting that they actually put in. So that way you can actually get the same consistent press in a short time, keep your job on time, and keep your costs down. So here we are getting ready to do an install here, utilizing just the normal tooling that you would use for your MegaPress or any of your ProPress guns. This is a 32 kilonewton tool. And then we have the addition of the press booster that gets added on here. And what this does will allow you to actually get the force to be able to press the larger size diameter. So what we have here is what we actually attach in, and we're going to do 2 presses. So the first press will actually move the ram halfway through, and that'll complete half of the press. Then you press again a second time, and then you can see it'll actually complete the press, delivering 60 kilonewtons of force to the bit to be able to complete the press. As you can see, I did that in under 30 seconds, so I could do a whole T within 2 minutes, which is significantly less than any of the traditional joining methods that are on the market today.
And that XL is already on the market. When's that going to debut?
It is out on the market now. We are selling it. It is ready to go. We are stocking it across the nation currently. Now, if you'd like more information on that, you can go to our website, www.viega.us, or you can visit our YouTube channel at Viega America.